All right, so here we are. We start our new build. This is the bare bones PC case that I chose right now. This is the Lightbase 600. All right, I took out the accessories. So yeah, wish me luck. All right, we're about to install or open up the power supply. So we got a Corsair RMX series RM 850X. And yeah, let's go open it up, take a look, and see what we got. Power, let's go. Alright, we go. Right here. Okay, how you open this? Oh yeah. Alright, so here's our power source. Let's put it in. Okay, nice job. Here. Here's our power. Alright, so what is it? Let's go. Alright, screws in. Screw. Nice one. Let's see. Alright, go down, a little. Okay, let's go ahead and screw in. Continue. Screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's one. Alright, our splice. It's nice and set. Screw right there. 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I think we're done with that. Alright. Let's go ahead and do the motherboard. We got an ROG Strix X6770E. AMD Ryzen AM5. Let's go. Go ahead and up. Here we go. What's this? What is these? No. Alright. There it is. Oh, yeah. Got a little manuals. Okay, I got it. And your Wi-Fi in this little box. Okay. Wow, mine's so pretty. There. Okay. Nice. There you go. All right, here's the motherboard. We're gonna go ahead and install our AMD Ryzen 9 7900. Let's go ahead and open this. There it is. What? All right, there it is. So basically, you're going to put it in, right? All right. I'm just gonna be very careful. Alright, go open this up. And there it is. Alright, here's the CPU. Okay.
On this layout as well. So this AM5 setup has this back plate with some standoffs essentially mounted at the rear, which you'll screw some parts into so it'll hold it in place. So what you need to do.
Alright. It's in there. Alright. Just close that. Alright. Very careful. Do not drop it in there. Do not force it in there. Do not try and force it in the wrong direction. Make sure you line it up properly. There it is.
I want to show you the change the socket layout.
All right. We got it in there. I hope. I think that's the scary part, right? All right. Now let's go ahead and try to install the RAM. So we got Corsair DDR5 32 gigs, 6,000 hertz. There it is. Oh. First one. There you go. It's in. Next. All right, let's go ahead and install our M2 drive. We got a 990 Pro Samsung M2 solid state drive. There it is. Right, there it is. First, go ahead and remove the heatsink. Alright, there's the heatsink. Right, gotta make sure we move that board in. Also, remove this film. There it is. Alright. I'm going to make sure I move right there. Alright, let's go ahead and put this in. Awesome. Put it in. Let's see. Yep, good. Go ahead. All right, finally I got it in. All right, so we got the SSD in there, 22 angle. There it is.
And stops the chance of any actual shorts on the motherboard as well. Next up,
Turn this.
our all-in-one. So as you can see, guys, I've got
And there it
the
is.
case on the back
All
of
right.
this particular copper heat pipes, copper heat.
Right now, let's go ahead and remove. All right, remove that, and then put that in. We are in. All right, let's peel that off. All right, that's one down. All right, now it's time to install the cooler. So we have the, let's see. So we have the Noctua NHD15 premium cooler. It's a fan cooler, not an AIO, so that's what we're gonna install now. So here we are. Here's the Noctua fan. That's where we make contact. I'm gonna have to disassemble this before I put them on. All right, 1 second.
Ralphie.
Jingo called the police, and the police came. And the little Jingo is catching himself and filming it all on the phone and posting it on the ground and getting heaps of new followers. And the wolf all like, I didn't do nothing.
There you go. See, cooler installed. I just need to put the fan. Okay, put the motherboard in there. Time to screw the motherboard. We got it in the case. Hey. Okay. What is the signal? All right, man. Now it's time for the GPU. GeForce RTX 4070. We're about to install this one. All right, let's go. Here it is. So I guess those. All right, good luck. All right, let's go ahead. There you go. So, now take off this. I have to look at this. I need to take the look. Yeah, I'm gonna put it a little bit right. Okay, hold it up. Okay, finally. After some adjustment, finally it went in. Oh my god. That was a headache. There it is. GeForce 470 installed. All right. It looks like every component is installed. We got the CPU, we got the RAM, we got the cooler, we got the GPU. The only thing left is just the wiring. Oh my gosh, more. Okay, now we're gonna do the fan. So far we got the motherboard and the CPU and I think one fan in. All right, I'll figure it out. Okay, I see a light. Turn it on. Let's see where the buttons. Let's see. There we go. Woo! Whoa! Okay. Let's see. Everything looks on though. I don't know what that means. That 10 means. Looks like everything is powering on. Input signal. Okay. Oh my god, it is currently 12 o'clock midnight. Thank God it worked. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. At first there was a problem with the RAM. The RAM was not plugged in all the way in. I had an issue. It took me about 30 to 40 minutes with the help of Richard. Thank you, man. I had to reset the RAM. I had to push it in more. So it took me 3 tries, and finally, oh my god. Your updates you probably will take it from here. Oh my gosh, look at this beauty. It's huge. It is huge. It took me about, I started at 6, it's 12:05, so it took me about 6 hours. Oh my gosh. Everything looks like it's good. Hopefully. I got work at 6 o'clock, so I'm gonna have 6 hours of sleep, I think. And yeah. Here we go. First build. First PC build. Of course there's gonna be problems. Oh my gosh. This is awesome, man. Look at that. Beauty. Look at it. Never again. Peace.